Pakistan. Today we are going to unbox the best Mate, Huawei Mate 20 Pro. Let's have a look at this premier looking box. On the front we can see Huawei Mate 20 Pro brandings and its most highlighted AI powered Leica triple camera. And on the side we can see the color and memory details, which is 128 GB built-in storage, and we got nothing on the back. Let's unbox this device. We have got this nice black glossy Huawei Mate 20 Pro, which we will discuss in a while. And firstly we will be looking at the stock accessories which are in the box. So we got a SIM injecting tool, and we also have a silicone case, and we also have a quick start guide. We got this Huawei Supercharge with 40 watts of rating, and we also got this Type-C charging cable, and we also have this Type-C earphone and a Type-C to 3.5mm connector. Now coming back on the device, in first instance the device gives nice premium looking feel. So let's discuss its design. So we have this, on right side we have the volume rocker and red metallic power button, and it gives a very metallic texture, and nothing on the left side. And the bottom of the device features a charging port, which is also a speaker, and it also houses a microphone and a hybrid SIM tray. Mate 20 features a 6.3-inch 3D AMOLED display with 1440 pixel and notch on top. There is an earpiece grill and 24 megapixel AI powered front camera, facing camera on top of the device. The smartphone comes with in-display fingerprint sensor, and on the back there is a nice square shape, consists of triple camera setup of 40 megapixel main sensor, 20 megapixel ultra wide and 8 megapixel telephoto lens. On the top, secondary mic and IR blaster are present. Let's power on it and quickly set up the phone. It's time to check in the display finger sensor. Okay, let's check it now. The sensor is quite responsive and best one when compared to other smartphones that come with this technology. Huawei Mate 20 Pro also comes with a Face ID. Have a look at this feature. And roll face. Now let's try its Face ID unlock. Face ID is pretty responsive even in low light thanks to its AI facial recognition. Screen gives vivid and crisp display, which is quite impressive. Okay, let's check out its software and the device. The device came out of the box with EMUI 9 with improved AI capabilities, and you can see here EMUI version 9. The SoC in the Huawei Mate 20 Pro is Kirin 980, and it's the first device to have 7nm chipset technology, and which outshined the other smartphone in this league due to its fast processing speed and GPU system. Other specifications include 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage. Now here comes the most interesting and different feature, camera. The camera application is quite interesting and full of AI features. The smartphone comes with ultra-wide angle lens. Let's try this feature. AI real-time recognizes different sensors and comes with interesting features like AI blur background, monochrome background, and different lighting effects. On the screen, you can experience the camera features of this device. Is its reverse wireless technology. Yes, you can charge all wireless charging capable phone with your Mate 20 Pro. The device performed well in low light in our test. For a detailed review, please visit the link in the description.